Okay, Mrs. Castle here, and we're going to learn this time about how to draw objects going into a vase that we can see through. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lightly, with your pencil you're going to do it lightly. My pencil I'm going to draw dark so everyone can see what I'm doing. Since it's basically a cylinder, we're going to do an oval at the top. Now this vase does narrow in and then go back out. Okay, I'm going to draw a guideline so I know where the bottom, that I'm getting the bottom of where I want it. Guidelines are always light, and that's a good way to help you get your vase pretty symmetrical. Okay, so the eraser is not a punishment, it's a tool just like a pencil. So if you need to use it, use it. It's not perfect, but it's close enough because symmetry is hard. Don't be too hard on yourself, okay? A couple of mistakes just proves it's made by hand. If we were machines, we wouldn't need to take art class. Okay, now I can see through my vase, so I'm also going to indicate a bottom on there. If the rulers weren't in there, we would be able to see the bottom like that. Okay, so I've got my 3 rulers, and I'm going to draw just like I did with the solid container. I'm going to draw the closest one to me first. So, and that's the shorter wooden ruler. So it kind of comes down, and this time I'm going to draw down into as straight as I can, but perfectly straight is overrated. Don't worry about it. And it looks like it stops a little bit above where the bottom is, and it probably does. And I'm going to draw my other line coming down. Fix. Okay. My line wobbles a little bit, but you know, it's okay. I'm sure even Da Vinci and those other, and many other artists didn't have a perfectly steady hand. Okay, so I cannot see this far side of the vase, so I need to erase that inside the solid ruler. And I don't want to shade that, but I do want to, there's some thickness there that I forgot to put in before, so I'm going to show the thickness of the glass by making kind of a wide lip on there. Okay. All right, oh, and I got to erase here because I cannot see the opposite side of my vase through the other side of the wooden ruler. Okay. Now the next one, the next ruler I can see is the back of this one that has the cork on it, and it touches right about there. Perfectly straight lines are a little bit overrated. Do not be hard on yourself about that. Okay, and then I'm gonna kind of skip over where the lip is because I can't see clear through there. This is gonna cross, and I'm gonna see. Now, because of the angle I drew out, I'm not getting exactly what it looks like, but it's okay. Go ahead and pretend like it's really supposed to be that way. Who's gonna know unless it's outrageously off? I won't tell if you don't tell. I promise. Okay. I went ahead and drew on top of that ruler so I could get my line right. then I erase it. Remember, the eraser is not a punishment. It is a tool. And see, I use the eraser just as much, if not more, than I use my pencil. So, all right. Okay, so what do I have to do there? Erase that line because I cannot see through that metal ruler. Okay, and I will put the detail in of the cork. I'm just going to draw the shape of the cork, showing the edge of the ruler. And it has a hole in there to hang it. And if the cork were intact, people pick it off, and that's annoying because rulers are expensive. And that cork helps it from slipping, to keep it from slipping when you're using it. Okay, close enough. All right, my third ruler is the very far back metal one, and it's pretty much going straight up and down. And looking in the bottom, I can see, I'm going to draw a light line until I get to where it would be on the bottom. And then I can erase it if I draw it lightly. Okay, and I gotta erase. And I'm gonna erase it a little bit. It's not super clear through where the thickness of the lip is. Okay, oh, and what else do I need to do? I need to put in the table. And looking through the glass, the edge of the table kind of goes like this because of the curve, and then picks up straight over. Yeah, because of the refraction through the glass. Ooh, sciencey stuff. See, art and science touch each other. I'm sorry, I'm being super picky. I don't get to draw very much, so doing these things for you and filming them is kind of fun. So I feel like Bob Ross. Okay, happy little accidents. Anyway, there you go. That's how you would draw objects inside a clear container. Ooh, if I really want to do make the glass look like it's in front of those rulers, you can see those highlights for the lights in the room. There's one that kind of curves down like this, that's kind of triangle-y, a bent triangle shape. And I've got another one, or a couple, and that's kind of a funky kind of trapezoid shape, and another one there. And when you paint, these will be, that comes in more. When you paint, those will be in front. If you do choose a picture with the glass base. Those will help you show that, and show that there is glass in front of there. I think I'll stop there. Okay, all right. So now my glass is in front, and my rulers are inside my glass vase. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will be very happy to help you. I do want you to try on your own first, and then I can look and see what you're really understanding and where you're very confused about as far as the drawing part is concerned. So, thanks for watching, and happy drawing!